So in this video we will discuss the MCQs about the phylum Coelenterata, or we can say Cnidaria. This phylum has its unique characters as they show polymorphisms, and polyps and medusas are formed. Tissue level of organization is shown. They are diploblastic, and the hydras, hydroids and jellyfishes, sea anemones and corals are included in this phylum. So first we will start from the first question. Question number 1. Macro and micronuclei are the characteristic features of Paramecium and Vorticilla, Opalina and Nyctothyrus, Hydra and Balantidium, Vorticilla and Plasmodium. So the answer is Paramecium and Vorticilla. As we know, Paramecium has one mega macronuclei or one small micronuclei in it. So Paramecium and Vorticilla. Second, blind sac body plan is shown by annelids, arthropods, roundworms or coelentrates. So blind sac body plan is shown by coelentrates. It's the unique feature of this phylum. Third, ctenophores have similarity with members of Porifera, Annelida, Coelenterata, Arthropoda. So the answer is Coelenterata. Ctenophores and Coelenterata, they have similarities in their members. As ctenophores, jellyfishes are included in that phylum. Fourth, polyp phase is absent in Aurelia, Hydra, Physalia or Obelia. So the answer is Aurelia. As we know, Aurelia, the common jellyfish, it does not have polyp phase in it. Fifth, which one of the following has a biradial symmetry? Paramecium, jellyfish, cockroach or sea anemone? So we all know biradial symmetry is absent in sea anemone because it has circular or cylindrical body, so it does not have biradial symmetry. Fifth, Cyphozoan medusa is more commonly known as sea pen, obelia, sea urchin or jellyfish. So we know jellyfish, the Cyphozoan medusa is formed. So the answer is jellyfish. 7. The jellyfish is classified under the phylum Porifera, Cnidaria, Mollusca, Echinodermata. So the jellyfish, it is included in phylum Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Cnidaria is the name of this phylum as they have the cnidoblast or the stinging cells which help in their defense mechanism. So this phylum is also known as Cnidaria because of the presence of the cnidoblasts or the stinging cells. Eighth question. In Hydra, nematocysts are found only in epidermis, mesodermis, endodermis or gastrodermis. In Hydra, nematocyst or the cnidoblast. Nematocysts are also known as cnidoblast or stinging cells. They are found in the epidermis. Ninth, the following are the features associated with Cnidaria. First, radial symmetry. Second, presence of gastrovascular cavity. Third, animals are either of the two forms, polyp and medusa, or both. Fourth, alternation of generation in their history. Which of the above are true for Metridium? So, for this, the options are all, only 1 and 2, only 3, 2 and 3, only 1, 2 and 4. So for this the answer is the option 2, only 1 and 2. The Metridium has radial symmetry and the presence of gastrovascular cavity. The ctenophora itself is known as gastrovascular cavity. The presence of gastrovascular or intestine-like cavity give it name the ctenophora. Next question, 10th. Which of the following classes exhibits polymorphism? Calcarea, Hydrozoa, Polychaete, or Scyphozoa? So the answer for this is Hydrozoa. The Hydrozoa's zones show the property of the polymorphism, that is the presence of medusa or the polyp, that is they help in the alternation of the generation. 11th, which one is mismatched? Obelia seawater, Physalia seawater, Hydra vulgaris seawater, Hydra gangetica freshwater. So for this we all know Hydra vulgaris seawater because it's present in freshwater, so it's the mismatch. Option 3, Hydra vulgaris seawater. 12th, Cnidoblasts of Hydra are sensory, complicated, with nematocyst apparatus, or above of all. So the answer is with nematocyst apparatus. Nematocyst apparatus help in the offense and defense of the animal present. Next, 13th, the absence of circulatory system in Hydra is compensated by pseudocoelomic fluid, gastrovascular cavity, presence of tentacles, or none of the above. Hydra, the circulatory system is compensated by the presence of absence of gastrovascular cavity. So these are the questions of the phylum Coelenterata. So next we will have the next phylum, which is the Ctenophores. So Ctenophora is the next phylum, and the characteristics of this phylum are also similar to the Coelenterata, that is by radial symmetry or the other same functions. All the comb jellyfishes are included in this phylum. So let's go to the questions. First, biradial symmetry and lack of cnidoblast are characteristics of Hydra and starfish. Ctenoplana or Viroe, Aurelia and Paramecium, starfish and sea anemone. So the answer is Ctenoplana and Viroe. These animals are included in Ctenophora phylum and they lack cnidoblast and biradial symmetry. Second, Ctenophores have similarities with the members of Porifera, Annelida, Coelenterata, Arthropoda. So the answer is Coelenterata. Third, polyp phase is absent in Aurelia, Hydra, Physalia, Obelia. The answer is Aurelia, that is common starfish. Fourth, lagoon refers to a full moon, horseshoe shaped coral reef, the sea breaking into the land and then separated by sand dunes, a spot in desert made fertile by the presence of water. So the answer is sea breaking into the land and then separated by sand dunes. Lagoons are formed by this method when a sea breaks into the land and then are separated by the sand dunes. Fifth, which is incorrect? Trichocyst Rhizopoda, Nematocyst Cnidaria, Coloblast Ctenophora, Choanocytes Porifera. And the answer is Trichocyst and Rhizopoda. Rest all the options Nematocyst Cnidaria, Coloblast Ctenophora, Choanocytes and Porifera. These are the correct answers or the correct matched. Then sixth, nematoblasts are formed by nerve cells, gland cells, interstitial cells or mesoepithelial cells. So the answer is interstitial cells. As we all know, nerve cells are not even present in the Ctenophora phylum. So interstitial cells, which are mainly found in the organ level of organization in the animals. 7. Which one of the following has biradial symmetry? Paramecium, jellyfish, cockroach, sea anemone. So we all know uh, the biradial symmetry is, so the answer is Paramecium. As we know, it has the biradial symmetry. 8th, Scyphozoan medusa is more commonly known as sea pen, obelia, sea urchin or jellyfish. We all know jellyfish. 9th, the jellyfish is the classified under the phylum Porifera, Cnidaria, Mollusca or Echinodermata. Cnidaria or Coelenterata is the right answer. 10th, in Hydra, nematocysts are found only in epidermis, mesodermis, endodermis or gastrodermis. The answer is epidermis. 11th, which of the following possesses a hard exoskeleton formed by calcium carbonate? Aurelia, Phycelia, Corallium, Hylastomere. So the answer to this is Corallium, which is formed by calcium carbonate. These were the MCQs of Coelenterata and Ctenophora phylum. Thank you.